Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you the full camera app features tour on the Motorola Razr 70 Plus. First, go to the camera app. We have the photo mode with zoom options. On the top, you have the external display camera that will appear right here. I need to set it in place first. Now we have Google Lens options. Then, a flash you can enable or disable, and you can change the colors. Here you have options to change the aspect ratio and set a timer. Next is video mode, which has nearly the same options, plus resolution with FPS value. More options include slow motion, portrait, and frame match. In the More section, we have night vision, panorama, ultra resolution, photo booth, group shot, time lapse, and dual capture. Also scan for documents and Pro mode, where you can manually select every option. Here we have focus, currently set to autofocus, but you can change it. White balance, shutter speed, ISO, and exposure are also adjustable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.